Alright, the recording has started. We're in big version mode. We made a minor update. Actually, it wasn't today. We made a minor update yesterday. I'm making this video today, so one day late, just didn't have time to make a video. Let's go into mini version mode, mini-me. Boop, 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 boo. Alright, so small update. We went from version 1.48.58 to version 1.49.58, in which we can clearly see right here. This is the new update. 79 lines of code, not a lot, small amount. I wanted to add a car feature. I noticed when I was playing Muse podcasts, like Spotify was down the other day, so I was playing it via Muse podcast. I was like, oh, I already got the episode on Muse. I'll just go listen to it there, driving, and I realized you could not skip. So you could skip via Muse Podcast, but you couldn't skip via your controls on your steering wheel and also the controls on the graphical user interface on the infotainment system. So I was like, that's problematic. I need to add some controls or a way to call the API for the car controls via either if you're using Android Auto or using Apple CarPlay or you're using just Bluetooth, right? So I thought I'd add that in there. So this is what this is all about. Added some car audio features to include play. Can't spell pause correctly. There you go. Skip forward, backward, episode title, channel name, and artwork. Now, the artwork doesn't seem to work on Bluetooth, but my infotainment system never works for Bluetooth when it comes to artwork. Now, if I'm on Android Auto, it normally does work. So I haven't fully tested that out yet. I know the channel name and episode title definitely pops up. I know you can skip forward now 15 seconds and skip backwards now 50 seconds. So you can play and pause via your controls either on your infotainment system via Bluetooth or your steering wheel controls, which is good. It works. It's just a small script function that I connected to the episode details, as you can see here. Uh, just does a few small functions, like for instance the title, channel title, right? We're gonna do artist, album if we can, um, and then we have a few navigator functions over here. We wire up to the operating system controls. This is skip functionality, seek forward. This is our seek backward function. Um, Next track, previous track, but just very simple. So that's kind of all we did for the update. We pushed it up. It's not going to see any UI changes, but now if you're watching Muse podcast in your car, you're able to skip forward to backwards because no one wants to listen to those pesky ads people throw on their podcast. So most of the time they're irrelevant, so I want to be able to skip those. Bop, bop, bop. Anyways, yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll look forward to see you guys next time. Peace. Ciao.